What's up, people of the internet? So there are two big Apple events every year, and people mix them up all the time. WWDC, the Worldwide Developers Conference, is the software one. It's where Apple talks to developers on the new operating system. Why the one in September is where the consumer hardware, like the iPhones, new products, the stuff you can buy. So June next week is WWDC 2026, and a lot is expected. Now, before we get into it, almost everything I'm about to share is based on leaks and rumors. Nothing is confirmed until Apple takes the stage on June 8th. So take all of this with that in mind. Okay, let's talk about Siri. For the past few years, Siri has been a joke that just wouldn't go away. While ChatGPT was writing essays and Gemini was summarizing emails, Siri was still mishearing your timer requests. It was really bad that it became a meme. And honestly, a real problem for Apple. But here's how deep that problem actually goes. Apple first promised an AI powered Siri 2 years ago as part of their early Apple intelligence announcements. They teased it, then they delayed it, then they delayed it again, and it got bad enough that Apple ended up setting a class action lawsuit for $250 million over failing to deliver what they promised. Yeah, they didn't admit wrongdoing, but they still wrote it a check. So yeah, this is just a future update. There's a lot riding into this. According to the leaks, the new Siri, codenamed Campo, is being rebuilt to feel much closer to what you would expect from ChatGPT or Claude. A proper conversational experience, context aware, multi step tasks, something that actually feels like an assistant. It is reportedly powered by Google Gemini with NVIDIA handling the compute on the back end. Apple, Google, and NVIDIA all inside your iPhone is a sentence I genuinely didn't expect to say. There's also a remote standalone Siri app coming. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who has been the main source for basically all iOS 27 and Siri leaks, says the promotional artwork Apple has been working for WWDC, glowing neon lights, a dove, and a freeze, all systems glow, might actually be giving us a preview of what the new Siri interface looks like. Whether Apple will do a live demo of the new Siri at the keynote is still an question. Given their history with it, that is a bold move, but it would also be a statement. AI agent in the App Store, I think that is another rumored feature. This one is quiet, but it might actually the biggest thing Apple announces. Agents are AI that act on your behalf, book a table, manage your schedule, control your smart home. Instead of you opening an app and doing the thing yourself, you just tell the agent what you want. If this works the way it is supposed to, then it changes how we use apps completely. Then there's camera. Visual intelligence is getting its own dedicated mode inside the camera app. You point your phone at something, and Siri with Google image search identifies it and gives you information about it. Then also, Apple Wallet is getting bill splitting feature where you photograph it, a receipt and equate a payment request for everyone, and create a pass option where you can turn a physical ticket or membership card into a digital pass. Yeah, by just taking photo of it. On hardware, M5 Macs are expected as usual. The Mac Mini, Mac Studio, iMac, but there's a supply shortage for key components right now. So even if Apple has them ready, they might hold off on launching until supply catches up. And that's basically the picture going to June 8th. Um, there's rumors of the Photos app also getting smarter, automatic object removal, scene recommendations, natural language editing. You just describe what you want to do to a photo and it does it automatically with the help of artificial intelligence. So all of this rumor, some of it will land exactly as leaked, some won't even show up. But either way, it's shaping up to be a big one. And if you want to see the full breakdown after the keynote drops next week, subscribe and we'll have that video up for you. See you then.